How to change font style in Telegram X. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can change font style in Telegram X. If you're wondering if your font style can be changed in Telegram X, my answer for you today is yes, you can change your font style, and here is how to go about it. Go ahead and launch your Telegram X application on your device, and then once you've done that, the next thing to do would be to select the or navigate through to the chat or group where you want to send a message with a different font style. So once you're in the chat or you're in the group, the next step is to type the message that you would like to send. So for example, I'll be typing hello there. And then once you're done typing out the message, just go ahead and select the message by highlighting it this way. Then once you've done that, you can see some options at the top part of the screen, right? And next to it, you can see three dots. So once you can see these dots, just click on it. And then you can now see different options, all right? Different font style. Is it italic? Is it on the line? Is it strike through, monospace, spoiler? Just select the one you want. So if it's strike through, this is how it looks like. If you want it to be monospace, this is how it looks like if it's underlined or if it's italics. All right, so this is how you can change your font style on Telegram X. So simple. You can try this as to many messages, to longer messages than this. All right, and it would be effective. So thanks for watching and have a good day.